guys, we're here in the farm, guys. Ano siya guys, a pumpkin, palit of pumpkin para decoration. 50 cents a pound. At this pumpkin, guys. This look like orange pumpkin. And have white pumpkin. There is white. There is a lot of pumpkin in here. 25 a pounds. Look at that, 25 cents a pound. At this here, okay, look at the nice pumpkin, RJ. Where? At this pumpkin, different color, and have here too, and in here.